Welcome to this video series created for you to get the most out of our platform. IncomeX Cloud Platform is the operations center of your business in the cloud where you can easily manage all your services from one place. In this video, we will show you how to create and assign a price list with the Marketplace tool in IncomeX Cloud Platform. Go to the IncomeX Cloud Platform portal and log in using your credentials. Complete the multi-factor authentication process to log into the platform safely. If you have questions about this process, check the information in the description of this video. Once you have logged in, on the main ICP screen, go to the Marketplace tool button on the top bar and click it. Below, you will see the price lists created. In this case, AbiBox Marketplace is the list created by default. Click on the list's name. Below, you'll find a panel displaying the portfolio of services that you can offer. To create a price list with a different margin, go to the bottom bar and select the Copy Marketplace option in the middle. In the displayed text box, assign the name to the new price list you are creating. We suggest you enter the customer's name as a reference when setting the configured price list. Then, click on the Create a Copy button. The copy creation process will begin. It may take a few minutes. At the end of this process, you will receive the message of success in creating the new list. Next, click on the View Marketplace button. In the next panel, go to the bottom bar and in the center, click on the Edit Marketplace button and click on the bottom bar center on the Edit All Prices. Now, the sequence of steps to follow to edit the prices appears. First, in button number 1, you must click on Download to download the service template to which we will apply a new margin. In the window called Expert Prices, choose the Microsoft in the Vendors field and click on the Expert Prices button. Save the downloaded Excel file and proceed to open it. You will see multiple fields that make up each service. In the Custom Price column, you will modify the values to obtain the new price list based on the purchase value corresponding to the Purchase Price field. You will obtain the new personalized price by modifying your client's purchase price by the desired margin. We suggest a formula for this value, but you can apply the one that suits you best. In the custom price cell, in our case K2, create a simple formula based on the purchase value. For example, to apply a 10% margin, use the formula on screen. Then, copy this formula for all the services you want to have the price changed. Values will be rounded to 2 decimal places using the rounding function for all products. Once you have established the new prices, save the file and upload it to the Marketplace tool. Back in ICP, on the Edit All Prices screen, go to the third step and load the file. To do this, press the Browse button and load the file. At the end of the upload, press the button Review Prices. In the box displayed, check the old prices and the new prices created. You will also see the percentage change. Save Prices button at the end of the review. Confirm your choice in the following dialog box by pressing Yes. What you have just created is a new price list that will be available to your customers. Next, we will show you how to apply the new price list to a particular customer. When the available services are displayed again, click on the IncomeX Cloud logo located in the upper left corner of the screen. Once on the main screen, select the customer's name to assign the price list. Once positioned on the client's name, their information is displayed. Next, click on the pencil that appears in the Marketplace field. In the Marketplaces window, the available lists will appear in the Available Items column and the Current Price list in the Current Items column. To move the lists from one column to the other, click on the name of the list. This way, by clicking on the name of the default price list in the Current Items column, you will move it to the Available Items column. In the same way, you will move the recently created list from the Available Items column to the Current Items column as the current price list for the customer. After clicking on the OK button, you return to the screen where the customer's account is displayed. Next, click on the Save button in the middle of the bottom bar to save the new price list. This is how you finish the creating and assignment of a price list in the Marketplace tool. Do not forget to check our channel for other videos that we have created so that you can find answers to questions about the most common processes that you can carry out on our platform, IncomeX Cloud Platform. IncomeX Cloud, your ally in the cloud.